So to solve this question, uh, I'll go through some property like if the polygon is regular, like all of the sides are equal, like equilateral triangle or pentagon, then we can find the angle of that polygon just by this formula. 180 is equal 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. So for pentagon there are 5 sides, so it will be 540. And if we want to find each angle, we'll just divide it by 5, and it will come as 108 degree. So this is the straight line, and if we want to find this angle, just need to subtract 180 minus 72 degree. So just by this, we'll find these both angles which will be equal 72 and 72. And to find the value of x, we just need, as the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree, so we just need to subtract 180 minus 72 minus 72 is equals to x, and x will be equal to 36. So that's how we are going to solve this question. It's very easy.